In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock yourself on Instagram when someone has blocked you. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to unblock yourself on Instagram, you'll need a little bit of help from your friend or a family member. So all you have to do is to take their phone and open Instagram, go to chats, and at the top right corner, you will see this icon. So click on it. Now you need to create a new group, and in this new group you need to add yourself and the person that has blocked you. So first add yourself. After that add the person that you think has blocked you. Then click on chat. So now a group is created, and in this group both you and the person that has blocked you are added. And whenever you will send a message in this group, then the person that has blocked you will also receive that message. In this way you can unblock yourself on Instagram. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.